There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's weekly update call on Flash. As every single week, we're going to go through some MyFX book. We're going to see how the market was performing. I'll also tell you about the backtest of Flash that I was doing. It performed good, just in my opinion, didn't produce enough profit, but we didn't blow the account. So this is like really good. I changed some things around right now, and I will also tell you when we come to that part what I changed around, and I think that this is going to be better performing. And also I found out that with a fixed stop loss, Flash is performing even better, less drawdown, and then it also recovers much faster. So this is also good news. So I think that we're going to have Flash in the next few weeks, like a totally different monster. I would say that we can like sleep and we can be relaxed, that we're never going to run into a big drawdown or that we ever lose our account. So let's jump into the share screen and let's go through different things. First of all, let's go to our MyFX book, which one we always look at, that we're running all the pairs that exist, all the forex pairs, the major, the minors, and also the indices and gold and silver. So as you can see, we were climbing out of drawdown and we are now back in drawdown, nothing special. But as you can see, we are up today $152 and this week $455. So this is also nice. We are still in the same pairs in drawdown that we were, USD JPY, GBP AUD, CAD JPY. But let's jump into the summary of our best performing pairs, and let's see. USD 30 is still the best performing pairs, 165 trades, $1,700 in profit. Then the second one is the DAX German 30, as you can see, 107 trades and $1,120. So it's like right there with USD 30. And then we have gold. You can see 260 trades, 1,100. Then we have silver with 1,071. We have EuroCAD with 994, and closing into the fifth spot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth spot. It's the another index, and this is the USD Tech, the best performing USD Tech companies, as you can see, already 900. So as I see, the best performing pairs are going to be all the indices plus silver and gold. Keep in mind that this one it's running the least amount of time. And then you can see EuroCAD, Euro AUD, amazing. GBP CAD, also GBP JPY, even though I wouldn't suggest to run any JPY pairs, AUD CAD, GBP NZD, NZD JPY. So let's go forward, move forward to see what is going on, which pair is in the biggest drawdown. As you can see, all these pairs that they're green or like a little bit blue, all these are already running on Flash that we implemented the special indicator inside. The ones that you can see in the bigger drawdown, GBP AUD, CAD JPY, USD JPY, they're still they open trades without the special indicator. So this is like why it's like even a bigger drawdown. But let's jump into our MT4 so you can see what's the difference. Now you can see like all these trades are closing down really fast. And what I want to show you, it's actually like how good this indicator is. You can see here on USD 30, you can see all the sales that it actually got, like closed down like with an amazing profit. But let's go through here. AUD CAD, you can see like almost like $40 in minus. Then it's AUD Swiss franc, also like few trades open. AUD NZD, nothing open. You can see the buys that got up all the way up. AUD USD, we are in sales, we are in plus $12. We just need like $12 more dollars and we are gonna be out of trades. Then it's CAD Swiss franc, also without trades. Euro AUD, we are in some buys here, nothing major. $120 open minus at the moment. We also have here buys Euro CAD. Euro CAD, it's one of the best performing. And also here we have like still some buys in Euro Swiss franc. But you can see also see here that this is like an account that I'm running Flash, and I'm multiplying the cash trail start with 900. So my suggestion is that you all multiply it with 300 because you're gonna get lots faster out of the trades, and it's much safer. So this is really important. Then you can see here also Euro GBP, no trades, Euro USD, also close down trades, buys, open up sells already, close them down. GBP AUD, you can still see we are still in a big drawdown. Then we have here GBP CAD, GBP NZD, nothing open, NZD CAD. Okay, so you can see it's like really performing nice with a new indicator. I will definitely open up this week. I will open up only an account with indices, and we're just going to run indices to see how they're performing, because it's actually performing really amazing, as you can see. So yeah, some people ask me like what I'm running on indices, like what are my settings. The settings are like totally the same. You have to keep in mind this is like a mini account here. So I'm running 4.0. If you don't have a mini account, just run it 0.01. Don't even go up. Here also multiply it with 300 instead of 900. Here also multiply it with 100, and then I have it here. I have here 100. I didn't change it here yet. So 2 trades for every 100 pips, and this is it. You can like copy it and put it onto your account. I also want to show you my gold account, how the gold account is actually performing. You can see we are closing out really nice, really fast. And right now the gold account is, I see it's at $547. Let me see which account is this. 885. Let's go back and let's see 885. How the drawdown is and everything, so you can see 885. I didn't verify that, so don't ask me for the link. I have to verify it. But as you can see, we are up now 9.44%. As you can see, we had a drop because it hit our equity protector that it's with $150. We're gonna show you the settings I'm running, but we are up this week 3.58. Here it's a little bit different strategy that I'm using. I'm gonna show you the settings that I'm using. Actually, I'm using here 0.2 lot size. As you can see, I have take profit cash amount. I set it to 10. So for 0.01, I will just go like for $5 up, because I don't want to be in trades. And like if I can do $10 with 0.02, awesome. And then I have cash trail with 4 and with 1. So what I'm gonna do when it's gonna be 3, I will just put here 6 and so on. I will just go up by 2, and I will always leave here the cash trail with just like $1, close out, and I'm done. I have only 8 limits, 8 trades. You can only open up 8 trades, and I have 1 trade for every $100. And number, I don't have like this on yet, and you can see I have the drawdown cash limit 250. So I'm actually right now risking half of my account with $500, but so far it's doing really nice. So the next thing that I wanted to show you, some guys were asking me about like a conservative approach for Flash, and you can see here this is a live account conservative approach. You can see we're doing 2.99% per month. We have 7. The biggest drawdown was 7% on our account. we started this in November. As you can see, in November we started this account. Right now we have like not a lot of trades open, as you can see here. Open trades, net profit, gross profit. As you can see, we have here now open trades. Where is the? Okay, we have open trades right now with like what, $85. So this is like not like a lot of drawdown. It's a $5,000. It was already €5,000 account. So you can see this is really nice trades. What we are running on this account, as you can see, we are actually running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs we're running on this account. It's like all the same settings, 0.02, cash pro 2 with 200, and then we have it here with 100, and here it's actually with 500, so something in between. It's working really nice, and all the pairs are set exactly the same. So you can also copy this account if you want to, and you can see €60 in minus. The next thing, what I want to show you, I want to show you the account gold that I started testing now, the settings. I don't know if I can open up the settings right now. No, I cannot open them. But this is actually running on a 15-minute chart. It has a stop loss. Every single trade has a hard stop loss of 300 pips. And I'm testing it for the last, from 1st of June 2020. So this is actually 1 and 2 years. I'm testing it for the last 2 years to see how it's going to perform. And I want at least that the account grows with 0.01, that it goes from 1,000 to at least $2,000, $3,000. So that would mean that we did like 100% without 200% without increasing the lot size. But definitely, if it survives here, we can increase the lot size. Then I will see how much the biggest drawdown is going to be, the max drawdown, and then we can adjust the lot size according to that. If the drawdown stays under like $200, then we can definitely run these settings because we're going to push a new update for Flash with a fixed stop loss. Then we can actually run this like 0.01 for every €250 on the account. Let me see if there's like any questions in the chat. Okay, there's no questions. So guys, if you have any questions, just message us in the Telegram chat. We're definitely gonna answer all of your questions. If there's no more questions, I would like to say thank you to all of you that were here watching live with me, and also to everybody that was watching the recording. I wish you a successful trading week and talk to you soon. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.